Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: your console, controller, and either a USB flash drive or an active Xbox Live account. Once done, get a square image, 256 by 256 pixels, JPG or PNG, and under 1 MB, because the system expects small, square files. Now sign into the profile you will change and open Settings, then Profile. This gets you exactly where the console accepts a new gamer picture. It's faster to upload from USB if your live connection is slow. You now transfer and select the image. If using USB, insert it and when prompted, set it as a storage device. Then copy the 256x256 image to the USB root so the console can find it. On the Xbox, navigate Profile, Personalize, Gamerpic, and choose from USB device. Select and crop as needed. If you prefer live, select Upload Picture instead, browse your saved images, and confirm. Make sure the file name and type are supported, so the console accepts the upload. Finish by cropping the preview and confirming the change. The console saves it, and the new gamer picture appears on your profile and friends list. If the image is rejected, check Format, File Size, and Dimensions, and then re-upload. Try renaming the file or using a different USB port. If the picture still won't show, power cycle the console or sign out and sign back in to force a profile refresh. This usually clears cached avatar data and resolves display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.